Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video I am going to show you how we can make the softbox light at the home with the umbrella and normal LED light, LED bulb. So as you can see front of you, I buy the 5 holder and then 5-piece LED light and 1 umbrella and then 1 stand. So how we can easily make in the house softbox light, because if we buy the softbox light it's very high cost. So how we can just easily do by ourselves without high cost. So I will show you step by step. You can do it by yourself in the house and then you can easily record your videos by YouTube or TikTok or other platform. You are always recording and then facing the problem that your light is not enough for you to record the video. So this video will help you how you can do the softbox light in the house. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. So first of all we fix our holders and then wiring. After we put the bulb and then put the white cloth and then fixing this one. So we fix this holder with the cable tie. So I'm using the cable tie to fixing the holders. So just follow me and then see what is the results. So I start first. So like this we fix 5 or 6. It's depend on you how many bulbs you want. I'm fixing now only 5. So we see what is the result of 5 bulbs. So I loop all and then see how. Okay friends, so now as you can see I already fixed all 5 bulbs and then loop already. So this one is the main cable. So I'll joint here and then we fix in the stand. So now currently I join first so we can, before we fixing the cloth on top. So now it's time to fix the cloth. We fixing the cloth after we fixing the stand. If we not fix the cloth, this one effect on the eyes, these lights, because it's very high bright. So we must fix the white cloth on top so it become lowest bright and then not affecting on the eyes. So we continue fixing the cloth. Now we test first before we fixing the cloth. So I on the light. Now you can see it's very high bright. So it's fully bright. So we fix the cloth and then after I show you, you can see here the stand. I fix in this stand and then we continue. So as you can see now I already fixed the white cloth on top. If we on, you can see the brightness is better and then not affected on eyes. So I'm going to fixing on this camera stand that umbrella, so we can use as a softbox light. for shooting our videos. Okay friends, so now as you can see this one, the umbrella hook, normally we press to open and close, so we just put here, and then I put the 2 screw here in the sides, so we can hold like this. We can use up and down. So this one is the holding for the umbrella. So I put the screw first. And so now you can see I already tie the cable tie and then holding properly, so we can actually run this softbox light, and then got nice. If I on, you can see it's very bright. At least we can record the videos properly without wasting the money. Now you can see this one is the stand and then light. So actually now we can record the very good quality videos for the YouTube or Instagram or TikTok using this light without wasting any money. I just buy the 5 holder and then 5 LED normal lights, and then do this one with the umbrella and then one old stand. So that is the I sharing with you all that you can use also like this, and then you can do it by yourself in the house so easily. You can save your money and then you can record your videos. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.